What if Uranus collided with Earth? It's a scenario that sparks both fascination and fear, prompting us to contemplate the cataclysmic consequences of such an event. Welcome, curious minds, to our exploration of the hypothetical collision between Uranus and Earth. Today, we'll embark on a journey into the depths of space as we imagine the cosmic clash between two celestial bodies. Let's start by considering the scale of such a collision. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, is 4 times the diameter of Earth and composed primarily of hydrogen and helium gas. If these two planets were to collide, the impact would be devastating. As Uranus hurtles towards Earth at unimaginable speed, the sheer force of the collision would unleash a wave of destruction unlike anything our planet has ever seen. From massive tsunamis and earthquakes to volcanic eruptions and wildfires, the aftermath would be catastrophic. The collision between Uranus and Earth would release an enormous amount of energy, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The force of the impact would vaporize both planets, creating a massive debris field that would spread throughout the solar system. In addition to the immediate devastation, the collision would have long-term effects on the stability of the solar system. The gravitational disruption caused by the loss of two planets could alter the orbits of nearby celestial bodies, leading to further chaos and instability. As we contemplate the hypothetical collision between Uranus and Earth, it's essential to recognize the awe-inspiring power of the cosmos and the fragility of our place within it. While such an event may seem distant and improbable, it serves as a reminder of the dynamic and unpredictable nature of the universe. What would happen if Uranus collided with Earth? The answer may never be known for certain, but the scenario serves as a reminder of the inherent risks and uncertainties of action and the importance of understanding our place in the cosmos. Beyond the immediate devastation, we must also consider the long-term effects on the solar system and the potential implications for life elsewhere in the universe. The loss of two planets would create a void in the fabric of spacetime, altering the balance of cosmic forces and reshaping the destiny of the cosmos. In the wake of such a catastrophic event, the remnants of Uranus and Earth would become celestial artifacts, floating through space as reminders of the fleeting nature of existence and the impermanence of our cosmic home. The collision between Uranus and Earth offers a glimpse into the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. While such events are rare, they remind us of the fragility of our planet and the need to explore and understand the universe to ensure the survival of life. As we study the aftermath of planetary collisions, we gain valuable insights into the formation and evolution of galaxies, planetary systems. By unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos, we uncover the secrets of our own existence and the origins of life itself. So, what if Uranus collided with Earth? While the thought may seem daunting, it also reminds us of the beauty and complexity of the universe and the limitless possibilities that await us among the stars. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the cosmos, let us embrace the unknown with open minds and open hearts, for the universe is vast and full of wonders beyond our wildest imagination.